Good morning. It is Wednesday, October 28th, 2020. Let's go through slides really fast. I hope everybody's ready to learn. For math, we're going to watch some videos. You're going to watch this one from BrainPop first, and then you're going to watch the lesson video done by me. Right. Then you're going to work on your lesson set. I'm sorry that the type isn't on the line. You're just going to have to try your best, or you can do it in your binder, and then send me pictures. All right, make sure that you try your best within 10 minutes, and then you can be done. If you don't get done, that's okay. All right, exit tickets are the ones that I grade, so this needs to be done. Those 3 parts to this question, please try your best, and remember that you do not get any help with these except for reading the words, okay? And then you're going to do Zern. The lesson we're on right now is lesson 17, so do lesson 17. And then when it says you're ready to start lesson 18, you stop. Lesson 18 is for tomorrow, okay? Then you're done with math. Take a break. For language, our story today is Cinderella, Too Much for Words. You're going to read it. There are different characters. It's more like one of our readers' theaters. So make it fun. Try to have some fun with it. And then describe at least 2 of these characters. Okay, you can pick the stepmother, stepsister 1, stepsister 2. Tell me what they were like in the story. All right. We have open syllables. You're going to do a little practice there. Okay. Then we have some hyperboles. Watch this video to learn what a hyperbole is, and then fill in this worksheet. You have your cursive. You should know what list you are on for spelling words. If you don't, you need to let me know. List A, you're going to do these words on your own piece of paper. Twice, please. And list B, you're going to do these words on the paper twice, please. Okay? All right, then do some practice on spelling city. The more you practice the spelling words, the better it will get. Okay? I know some of those words for list B are kind of hard. So the practice makes perfect. Okay. If not perfect, pretty darn close, because you're going to get better at spelling. All right, then do some imagined language. Once you're finished, you're going to take another break, have some lunch, get some air, play outside if it's not too cold. And then, since our party is today, we decided that it would be fun if you did a couple Halloween things. If you don't celebrate Halloween, don't worry about doing them. This is optional, okay? Pick a character in the video and dance along. And then you have a directed draw. This is kind of fun. We thought this one would be cute. Again, if you don't celebrate Halloween, you don't have to do it. All right, and then your exit ticket. Let me know how today was. And then you're finished. You're going to have a great day. I know you are. Let me know if you have any questions. I am more than willing to help at all times, okay?